The headlines: Government all prepared to tackle coronavirus threat, says CM. School teacher, 20 students hurt during commotion at exam center. Manipur Board Class 10 MIL question paper leaked. And police nab 7 suspects in Sheetal murder case. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Bireen today said that his government is all prepared to tackle novel coronavirus threat in the state. He appealed to all the government employees to avoid using biometric attendance for at least 1 month in view of the present development. Briefing media at the CM Secretariat, Bireen also said that over 1,21,629 persons have so far been screened at Imphal Airport. Out of 12 coronavirus suspected samples sent to Guwahati Medical College for test, 10 samples were found negative and results of 2 are still awaited, he added. He also underlined on the need for taking precautionary measures while attending public functions and social gathering. Chief Minister Bireen also informed that forms will be provided to travellers at the airport and border areas to get travel history. He also said that separate wards have been arranged at Reams and Jenims to handle emergency. 8 beds in Reams and 6 beds in Jenims. Chief Minister further informed that more face masks and protective suits will be acquired. A dedicated 24/7 control room has been set up with phone number 2411-668. Bireen urged the people to maintain hygiene and sanitation, besides extending support and cooperation to the government in tackling the deadly virus.
Mau, Behang, More, Sizol, Hairiba, Jiribam, to Som Kamzom Sisu, Morega Tainaman Hajale, Hairiba areas in the Gilapa, visitors in Se. Ako mo ida form issue dorgani hanadi India ako gi India gi manung dagi lakpa dudi laira meso mapalom dagi lakpa haitare Myanmar rom dagi lakpa sidi mogi Ministry of External Affairs ki kari clearance mathuk tabani na koi na madu ngarang nahan dagi koi tangnar pom tam da hujik akoi external Ministry of External Affairs gi ayawa phange live anybody lakpa si check tawbuda natra moida sub form the mail halakanda Moigi travel history yauna moi kai da solu bulai ke bulai ha bido madugi form issue to busi mau songi brahma ka tainari ba Myanmar ka tainari area sing da madu horogani.
The World Health Organization has said that Indians do not need to panic about the outbreak of COVID-19 coronavirus. Speaking with India Today, Dr. Rodrigo Ofrin, Regional Emergencies Director WHO, said there is no need to panic as cases tested positive in India were because of travelling abroad. Citizens caught the virus on foreign land. Speaking about whether the virus will subside as temperature rise, he said, "We don't know that yet. Research still going on. The same. It is a relatively new virus, so gathering information on it will take time." With 28 coronavirus cases in India, many Indians are worried a lot. Should Indians panic? Answering the question, Dr. Rodrigo Ofrin said, there is no need to panic. The need of the hour is to get more trained doctors and nurses to treat the infected. Speaking about what the citizens can do, he added, as an Indian citizen, you need to maintain basic hygiene like washing one's hands often, covering one's mouth while sneezing. If you feel sick, rush to a doctor as soon as possible. The novel coronavirus is now in over 75 countries with over 94,000 cases confirmed worldwide, says WHO. Mainland China reported 139 new confirmed cases yesterday, reversing 3 straight days of declines because of a spike in new infections in Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak. As per reports, South Korea's total number of novel coronavirus cases, the largest outside China, approached 6,000, while the death toll in United States rose to 11. A teacher and 20 students were injured at Lilong High Secondary Madrasa during the Class 10 examination today. The students on the first floor of the school building, after the final bell, went berserk and vandalized school chairs, benches, desks, boards, windows and tanks. They also damaged vehicles belonging to teachers and board members. Economics Department teacher of Lilong High Secondary Madrasa School, R.K. Milan Singh, and over 20 students were injured during the incident. Security personnel rushed to the site and managed to defuse the situation. At least 10 vehicles were damaged during the incident. Officer in charge of the exam center, M.A. Qadir, said that all of a sudden the students on the first floor created ruckus after the school bell rang on the last day of the board exam.
Me Oza Milan, RK Milan, economics ke lecture ama yamna thin soe, satra satri khangaudan wan tharpa nung na panba mayam thokpadegi makhoi 20 ki mathakta soi haiba ki pau phange. Sigi mayam se thoi ba makai se aikhoi Manipuri da education se phagana bagi ki damakta laiba lambi sida. Handaki exam se hanagi exam dagdi yamna phajana henna phagalabani. Phagalabasa khangaudana aroi banu misra toraiba wakhalon se aikhoi songa pane phawi.
Student bodies Apunba Irepaki Mahero Simpanglok and Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur have claimed that the question paper for Modern Indian Language MIL of ongoing Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur got leaked. The SAM Secretary General Lashanthim Lamyanba told media that the alliance and AIMS have strong evidence that the MIL question paper was leaked on social media just a few hours before the start of the exam today. Lamyanba also raised suspicion of involvement of some teachers in the question leakage. He urged the concerned government department to initiate an inquiry into the matter.
Examination la copy toba question leak oibada thingdana bagi damakta amadi mahut sillaga tharamba amadi examination gi center sing akoi bela khongman chen ba masina sing ba sing sa sab sala define tor ba matungda makhoi sing ado tawdana bagi damakta amohana tawdana bagi damakta makhoi gi ba penal provision sab sana piduna leiri panba yabadi Karnataka Education Act 1983 gi section 115A gi matung inadi question leak oibada chena ba mioi sa masi chahi ahum kaisum sangda leigada bane ahan ba first offense ki oina aduga ani subo offense ki oina chahi manga kaisum sangda leigada bane haiba yauri aduga lupa lakh manga phawba fine thigada bane haiba yauri mana madu asigumba penal provision amaka sung soidana maki lenga asina sembi gada bane masi gi damakta lenga asina penal provision semna nabagi sembi hu haiduna ngasing asima aikhoi gi honorable chief minister gi mafamda memorandum ama pisal khere.
In connection with the murder of 19-year-old Sapam Shital of Salungpham Mayalekai on March 1 last, Manipur police have arrested 7 suspects last night. All the suspects hailed from Wangjing. A Maruti van, which was allegedly used in the crime, was also recovered by the police, a report said. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing a machapan marifum do the Honachai Kuntramanga Hena, Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moina Lerklaba, Nauka Gi Infal Center, Mahangjere, TV the phone conjel, Loinana, Nil Kongum from the Tabang, the Awab Mayokna, the Banaha Al Kudimak, Wabi Rugano, Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic, and Nasimak Lension Directuna, completely invisible, water resistant, and rechargeable with digital hearing aid. Happy you. Tabang Pangalwana Badomi Kangachana, single powers at Tambio, I could lay from the Nagamapal Main Road, Pawisangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 60-009-54159.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1, within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2, outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3, outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800-1027959 or 8794-613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hatta New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. A team of Forest Department officials today rescued an ailing deer with scientific name Muntiacus munjak from ANK High School campus, Kakching. The team took the deer to Kakching Chumnang Lekai residence of former Joint Director Veterinary Dr. Y. Rajendra for medical aid. The deer was later taken to Manipur Zoological Garden, Iroshimba, for further medical attention, a report said. Kshetragaon constituency MLA Nahakpam Indrajit said that students must nurture the habit of studying from the early stage of life and urged the teachers to show love and affection towards students. Indrajit was taking part in the opening event of 28th Annual Sports Meet 2020 of Irilbung High School. Additional inspectors of ZEO Zone 2, C.H. Manglem, T.H. Rohini Kumar, headmistress of the school, T.H. Indubal, and social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Lashram were present at the inaugural event. MLA Indrajit further said that besides studies, students must also give emphasis on extracurricular activities like sports for healthy body and mind.
Private school ga government school ga kenna lai no private school da oibo oja sing je lupa lising mari mga kita nebo akoi sarkar gi paisa na kya na pini je mayam ne khangbi dungai bo adu kari gi damakta akoi apabu putok pangam dri no kwai maru thawa yaw bangok jangi aina porai ba school phagalan ji abagi ini mu school gi ju apapa estimate mo oina ba oja sing na hana le mo wakan du koktok piraga hanakti satra sing je ichani nauni tawtabi yade onalwal MLA gi mai chofan ba yade gi wakalonda apapa satra putopada thawa yawbiu na haije bagalona mayam punang pui kok no khurum jagolona kai tumde busari.
A short storybook written by Kesho Singh entitled Egi Mangkhungchat was released today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. The book release function was organized under the aegis of Iramdam Mia Apunba Krojel Loop Imakol. At the occasion, author of the book, Kesho, said that the book is based on day-to-day affairs of families. He was positive that the book will help enlighten the readers on importance of togetherness and understanding in a family.
Hanubisi no manadana magi clinic ta porokbani layeng mama tamsida khange ngai anga doctor oiribani pasina masigi nupi sina ni aingonda no masak bijabi rakhiba aibu mateng pang bi rakhiba do aduna magi laman toli khangna magi bill mayam ama tarakdo mana bill clear ena nupi dudi ta sengbadi ai di lausu yo ningai laitre hengon su lo ningai ne te kanam lai jadre ai asuwara sida ai ga na bai layeng wasi kramai tongne no wa ba kan sida bill du sengdo e haidna doctor gi soi chang toraga chat pa yarane na pirakwa duda kari gi noina hanguda mana mamangai da tawkibado adugi mamando aina ngasi adu taw singjarabane na taw adumba kainone.
The two-day-long World Meitei Convention 2020 wrapped up today at Lamargram in Kachar district of Assam. The event was jointly organized by Pan Meitei Convention and Assam Manipuri Progressive Front. Former Minister A. Surjit, Organizing Committee Chairman Haigrujam Nabashyam, Ima A.K. Santibala, Ima Ashalata and All Manipur United Clubs Organization General Secretary attended the event. Kairang Khumidok Gram Panchayat Pradhan Chetsabam Nirjuman Deni today said that the Meitei community in the region should think twice before giving opinion on Meitei sacred rituals like Lai Kaital Kaba or Yektinaba at the hill range located between Haingang and Kairang Muslim area under Haingang constituency. In this regard, a press meet was held at the residence of Chetsabam Nirjuman. Several residents of Kairang Khumidok, Imphal East also attended the press meet. Pradhan Nirjuman Deni further said that the Said Hill Range has existed as a burial ground for Meitei Pangal community since the past 50 years. He expressed unhappiness over the sudden plan to perform Meitei ritual ceremony at the burial site. He urged the Meitei brethren not to perform any ritual at this site.
Makata I couldn't argue that Tamjani Hamdi, Nuxana Minashi, Hanatana Bakar, Shart Minasi, Yaminasi, Minasi, Tangai Padana, I quit the Hanashi in Pom Torga, Kunjasi in Pom Torga, I quit Jagan, Natragasu, goes on my way to Venina. Kitang in Pom Torga, Sabina do Kai Pami, Asuk Sangraba, Hangang Ching Sang, Kilometer Mangadina, 30 in Pan Pogi Zagas data, Iratoni Pantotraga, Equigi. Soon like Pitchen Jump Paksaba. Kabastan was Raba, Mompam was Raba, Asunova, Song Mai over Hanasingi, Sing Mai Maktada, Bangkok and Haidala Pase, Masi, Togion, Tobomali, Masiari, the winner have home Jetam Jabagolo and Yamda, appeal to the one to be the
India's youngest climate activist, Lysipriya Kangujam from Manipur addressed the students of Delhi University on the global concerns of climate change. She was one of the speakers during the August 20 event held at Dulat Ram College yesterday. Environmental affairs analyst, journalist Gyanendra Rawat, renowned filmmaker and environmentalist Rakesh Khatri were present during the function. Lysipriya appealed to the Chief Minister of Manipur and Bahrain to include climate change as a subject in the school curriculum.
Means comfort of hard cheese.
MP Dr. Rajdeep Roy unveiled a statue of Maharaja Gambhir Singh ahead of his 232nd birth anniversary at Papipul, Kachar today. The statue was constructed by Athoba Ningshinglop, Lakhipur, Kachar, Assam. President of Athoba Ningshinglop, R.K. Sanahal, hoisted the flag of the committee before taking out a procession. Besides Dr. Rajdeep Roy and R.K. Sanahal, ACS, DC Kachar, Barnali Sharma, ACDs, ADC, Kachar Rajiv Roy and other dignitaries attended the event. A souvenir of Athoba Ningshinglop, Lakhipur, Kachar, Assam was also released on the occasion. Notably, the land where the statue is erected was donated by retired principal of Nehru College, Kachar, A. Kulachandra Singh.
Honorable MLA, local MLA, Sri Rajdeep Walana, Foundation Stone to Gira Haraga. Messi, last time, Manga, Miso Missing Aniga, Janida, sorry, Missing Aniga, Kunda, Langasi, my home, pharmacy, Pantok Javan.
Manipur Sensing Applications Center, a part of Department of Science and Technology Government of Manipur, today demonstrated unmanned aerial vehicle to the public at Kumalampak today. Director of Department of Science and Technology Government of Manipur, Dr. N. Randhir Singh, said that the new high-tech drone will help curb a major chunk of disadvantages faced by the state due to cloudy weather. He further said that most northeast states of India, due to foggy and cloudy weather, even with the help of satellite camera, it is very hard to monitor the situations of the locations. However, with the new high-tech drone, major situation can be easily located, he added.
Data information 3D town planning flood talk by the sing show cam kana talk so ikang to kara jaga cam talk to yam line hariba khula sinabanga muni and mari line departments in the yam the sound kana ba pe and
A new showroom of BG Electronics Ampere electric scooters, second of its kind in the northeast, was opened today at Iroishemba Mayalekai. Managing Director of BG Electronics, Konjingbam Mucha Khangawa, social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, Manipuri film actress Okribam Nira and President of EYDC Club Iroishemba Irom Fulindro were present during the function.
Sigi akoina pizariba gari sigi Kudong Sabaching Laga, Queen of Tobiagani, do a Queen Hen and Wadi, a Queen Sea Gadi, Kanagumba, Katang, Kudong Sada Blader, so when EMI when Ishana, Havadi, a Quigi, Butters Gumna, finance doctor to EMI facilities to Pizzari, Adubu, Havadi, a Quigi, Mayam, Laga, Hen, Lapa, and Tobodino Wagon.
Time for another short break. Keep watching.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, ozana kari takpiri, yum da giyama di office tagi yam na line live class yengba yaraba status agi ahanba school and day care, tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure, healthy breakfast and lunch at school, highly qualified and caring staff, creative activities and educational games, interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawiyo.
Senior for Senior Care, Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paikatchaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahangba form khara kaujari. Masida masagi sahi 35 dagina 85 fawbagi manungda leiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani. On job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabasu pijari. Masida saruk yabiningba miyoi singna satliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Jennings Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabiyu.
Welcome back. The District Child Protection Unit of Hojai organized an awareness meet on Let's Create the Environment for Children to Live at SOS Children's Village. District Legal Services Authority Secretary Pronita Morang and Deputy Superintendent of Police Dipti Mali also attended the meet. Pronita Morang talked about child protection. She also explained about child-related laws like Child Marriage Prohibition Act, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act, Child Labour Prohibition Act during the meet. She said children in need of care and protection can approach DLSA without any hesitation. Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura felicitated the team of Banyan Repertory Theatre Imphal at Ginger Hotel Agartala today. Chief of Banyan Repertory Theatre Imphal Sanajapa and Production Controller AC Netrajit led the team at the ongoing Pragyotish Festival. The festival, which started from March 1st, will conclude today. Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Sumati Balanik Thaujam, said that physical illness fades but mental illness gives permanent impact. Sumati Bala was speaking during a program on sensitization on comprehensive manual for safety and security of children in schools at SSA Training Hall, Imphal today. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights and Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights organized the program. Sumati Bala stressed further on the need to provide a child-friendly environment in all schools. Commenting on the issue of heavy school bag, she said that the Commission has started taking action on this regard.
Child-friendly state haiba khogi angang singa se yamna matik magul leina yamna hiding singna yamna khogi challenging oina yamna haidi free oina yam independent oina adumaina haurak pa yam malona discipline adagi kaino khogi manners masi mayam se yam khangna haina adagi masi mayam se life ki part malona na magi manners magi nerves to yorok phibam adugolona na chawrok pa duguma miyoi sing aduna afaba tangdu leita ba samaj ma same na bagi damakta akogi segumba Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights na yamna toina tawja base masimak akogi aim and object amasung akogi motto ne.
Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain was today arrested by the Delhi police in connection with the murder of Intelligence Bureau staffer Ankit Sharma in northeast Delhi during the Delhi riots. As per reports, Tahir Hussain had applied for anticipatory bail at the Kakarduma court in East Delhi, and a decision on his bail plea was to be announced by the magistrate today. In between, he reached the Rose Avenue court in New Delhi area to surrender and moved an application. The court rejected the application, saying the matter didn't fall under its jurisdiction, sources informed. Lok Sabha today passed a motion suspending 7 Congress members for the remaining period of the budget session for their gross misconduct after they snatched papers from the Speaker's table and utter disregard for House rules. According to media reports, following an adjournment at 3 p.m. today, Meenakshi Lekhi, who was presiding the House, named Congress members Gaurav Gogoi, T.N. Prathapan, Dean Kuriakose, Manika Tagore, Rajmohan Unithan, Benny Behnan and Gurjeet Singh Aujla. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi then moved a motion to suspend these members from the House for the remaining period of the budget session. The motion was passed by a voice vote amid protest by opposition members. Proceedings in Rajya Sabha was today adjourned for the day as opposition MPs continued to protest against the violence in Northeast Delhi, which has claimed 47 lives so far. Proceedings in the Lok Sabha, which was earlier adjourned for an hour, are underway, a media report said. On Wednesday, as the opposition created ruckus over the denial of an immediate debate on Delhi riots, Lok Sabha was adjourned soon after it met at 11 a.m. It was then adjourned again at noon and then for the day at 2 p.m. The Rajya Sabha functioned for all of 10 minutes as opposition members continued with their demand for a discussion on Delhi riots before any other point of business is taken up. Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu said the discussion will take place after Holi on March 10, which sparked protest from opposition benches. Now we have the sports news. The Indian women's cricket team entered their maiden T20 World Cup final today after rain washed out the semi-final clash against England in Sydney. As per reports, there was no reserve day for the semis in the ongoing tournament, and Cricket Australia's request for a reserve day was declined by the International Cricket Council yesterday. India booked a place in the final as they finished their group on top with 4 wins out of 4 games. In case of another washout, South Africa will qualify to the final match. A friendly badminton match of India and Myanmar was held at MMRC and Unity Park, Khangabok, Thobal District yesterday. Ball Badminton Association, Manipur under the aegis of Ball Badminton Federation of Asia and India organized the friendly match to promote badminton and to strengthen the bond between the two neighboring countries. Now the top news headlines once again. Government all prepared to tackle coronavirus threat, says CM. School teacher, 20 students hurt during commotion at exam center. Manipur Board Class 10 MIL question paper leaked. And police nab 7 suspects in Sheetal murder case. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.